Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing Cooking with Shane Part 2 on the second one. And today I have some mashed potatoes mix from Idaho, and we'll be making some mashed potatoes, which are actually, I think, delicious. I've never made these, so yeah. Okay, so first I already started with step number 1. I microwaved 2 cups of water in a microwavable bowl. Remove water from microwave and immediately add entire pouch of potatoes all at once. Use a fork to moisten all potatoes for at least 1 minute. Let me open this. Oh wow, oops. Oh wow, so wow. So I guess I should... Woo! Already smells pretty good. So I added in mixture and I spilled a little bit right there on accident. So it said take a fork and stir it for 1 minute. Oh wow, okay. That's already turning into mashed potatoes. It's done. That's a lot of mashed potatoes. Not expecting that whatsoever. Anything else, I will gratefully do it for you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one.